Hi, my name is Gavin. In this video, we're going to talk about the Marie Kondo 6 easy tips to organizing your piece of jewelry using a jewelry cabinet. But before we go ahead and do that, please give us a big thumbs up and hit the post notification bell to get your daily dose of Lux Fernie. We all know Marie Kondo and she's organizing everything like she is here to stay. From her Netflix hit series Tidying Up with Marie Kondo to her latest book Joy at Work, we all just can't get enough of her decluttering ideas and principles. From kitchen clutter to garage mess, there is no escaping the magic of the KonMari Method. But has it even crossed your mind on how to organize your piece of jewelry and accessories? Is getting a jewelry cabinet the way to go? How do you apply the KonMari Method to your jewelry cabinet? Jewelry cabinets are now becoming a main staple in every woman's vanity area. From hanging jewelry organizers to floor-standing options with full-length mirror, it has become the go-to storage for women everywhere. But is it really the best way to organize your piece of jewelry? Here are 6 easy steps to organizing your piece of jewelry using a jewelry cabinet. Tip number 1. Gather all your jewelry pieces in one place. If you're the type of woman to store a piece of jewelry in separate areas of your home like your closet, dresser drawers, and bathroom cabinets, make sure to gather them all in one place, like your bed or on a table. This allows you to catch a glimpse of exactly how much you have accumulated over the years. Tip number 2. Sort jewelry by category and not by location. This simply means that you need to group the rings with the rings and the bracelets with the bracelets. This also serves as your chance to make an inventory of how many bracelets or necklaces you have to protect your investments. Make sure to do this correctly, as this is crucial to the success of decluttering. Tip number 3. Identify any broken pieces and separate them as items to toss or to repair. The secret to doing this properly is to examine each jewelry category. Begin with all your necklaces, then move on to your bracelets and next your earrings. Don't rush. Take a deep breath. Relax. Check your earrings for lost pairs. Make sure all precious stones on your rings are all complete. Mark those items that need to be tossed or repaired. I know, I hear you. Who wants to throw away jewelry? Well, the good news is you can actually sell these lost pairs or damaged pieces to goldsmiths and get a huge portion of your money back. Tip number 4. Hold each remaining item and be honest with yourself about whether or not it truly sparks joy. In Marie Kondo's Netflix series, she showed the world how to do this. We saw her hold each item, close her eyes, and dug deep within herself to determine if these personal items sparks joy. Another good trick is to ask yourself, would you buy this again if you threw them away? If the answer is no, then it is safe to let it go. If the answer is yes, then you should keep it. This is the best way to remain honest to yourself. Tip number 5. Separate out the items that no longer bring you joy and thank them. We all know how difficult it is to let go of heirlooms and gift pieces that you receive from people you love. Letting go of these pieces can be heartbreaking. Marie Kondo suggests that the joy of gift exists in the gift-giving moment. So even if the item was a generous or thoughtful gift from someone special, the purpose of that item had already been reserved. Thank each and every piece of jewelry and accessory for the time it has served you well. Tip number 6. Showcase them in a way that sparks joy. At this point, you certainly deserve a pat on the back for getting this far. Really. But there is one more thing you need to do, and you need to do this right. After all the sorting and discarding, look around you and envision where you want to organize these pieces of joy. Choosing a spot where you are most comfortable is the best way to go. Make sure to organize and showcase your piece of jewelry with a jewelry cabinet. Knowing fully well how many pieces of jewelry you have allows you to choose the right one. Most premium jewelry cabinets like Lux Fernie come with ample slots and hooks that can accommodate all your bubbles. Marie Kondo suggests to fill your jewelry cabinet only with things you love. Showcasing them in a way that sparks joy keeps you in check all the time. Oh, and before I forget, make sure to clean your pieces before you put them in. Here's a great piece of advice. You never wear what you don't see. So nothing compares to having all your precious pieces of jewelry right in front of you. Having a jewelry cabinet to showcase everything you have makes looking beautiful every day so easy. Choose the best. Choose Lux Fernie, the finest jewelry cabinet maker. So what do you think of these? Hit us up and post your comments below.